Hello, today we're going to learn about how to create an AI logo in Canva. So we're in the Canva home dashboard, and then if you want to have a specific size of logo, you can just choose from the different templates right here. But for this video, we want to have the logo template that Canva already has. And then as you can see, you can see different logos right here if you want to use them. But since you want to create an AI logo, we'll just go with create a blank logo and then click on it, and now we have our blank design for our AI logo. And then to start in creating an AI logo, you just go here to the sidebar and then click on apps, and then we can search for AI logo. And then we have a lot of different apps right here. You can try them one by one. For example, AI logo maker, if you want to try this. But the problem is I don't have any credits left to use this application, since as you can see here, use one of AI logo maker credits. I don't have any credits to use this AI logo, but this one's also a good AI logo maker if you have any credits to use it. So because you will need to buy credits from their website if you want to use it, but we can just use a different app since that's not available. For example, we can also use logo maker, but for some reason it doesn't work on my Canva, as you can see right here. And then we can just use just another application as well. So the one that I have tried is Logo Master. And then for example, I want to create a basketball logo, a, a simple basketball logo that is eye-catching and with a title called Basketball Masters. For example, I want the AI to create this logo with the description that I want. So you can turn this on if you want, but we'll just stick with the default settings and then click on generate. Then we'll wait for it to finish. And then we can see the AI has created a simple logo for us right here. Then we can also choose what logo to use. For example, I want to use this one, and then just drag and drop it to the project area, and then we now have the logo. But a problem is that the title is kind of not perfect, so it says basket tall masters. So that's actually a common error for AI, since AI is not that yet perfect, but at least we now have our base logo. So we won't be able to edit any of the given logo that the AI has generated. So if we want to edit the text, we can just use this one that doesn't have any text on it. So at least now we don't have any text that says the incorrect spelling of the basketball master. So if you want, you can just insert some text right here and then edit it to your liking so that it will fit on the logo that we have created. And then that is it for the creation of an AI logo using Canva. So if you want to create different logos, or like for example, you don't know what logo that you want to create, you can click here on to generate an example prompt, and it will generate simple prompts for you to have an idea of what logo to create. So for example, we go with this idea: a logo for a fitness app, dynamic running figure, energetic colors, red and orange. So we can click on generate again. Then we'll wait for it to finish. And then that is the logo that the AI has created for us. So for example, we want to keep this logo, we just need to click on a new page right here. I mean add page, and then choose what logo that you want. I want to choose this red one, and then that's the logo that we have. Or if you want to choose the white one, you can just drag and drop it as well, and then that's the logo that we now have. And then that is it for creating an AI logo using Canva. You can explore different prompts so that you can tell the AI what logo to create in order to your liking. And then just explore the different AI apps that Canva has to offer. But you need to also take in mind that some of the apps have credits given since you are using a free account in Canva. And then that is it. Thank you for watching.